Okay, had to go get the key for the for this lockbox. Now there is one issue with this system. And that is, I only have one key for this box, okay? Oh, that's right, I have to drill this hole too. I forgot about that. Because this hole is not big enough either. Yeah, you only have one key. Oh, let me check this out. Oh, there is. There's actually a combo for this thing too. You put in batteries. I'm gonna take these batteries out because they'll just, I don't know the combo because you know, like I said, it's a repo, but you want to take these out so they don't overspill, you know. Like I said, I don't have the these are rechargeable. I don't have a charger for them, but you certainly can't throw them away. Maybe I might be able to use them in the future. I doubt it. They'll probably be there for all eternity. Okay, so we got to drill the hole on the bottom bigger. Gotcha. And it's the back hole. This one. Got it. So let's go over here. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay. That's okay, it locked again. Okay, we want to drill the rear hole. Got it. Okay. Like I said, there's only one key, so the key will never be carried on you or anything like that. It will be hidden on the Jeep somewhere in La La Land, that you'll never be able to find it. There you go. You see how it fits? Okay, so now we're gonna put this big washer here. That cocksucker don't fit. Oh, here, this one. Okay, then we're gonna screw this on. Okay, now it's spinning on the bottom. So what we got to do is put a pair of vice grips on the bottom bolt so it can't spin. This doesn't have to be insanely tight, gentlemen. Just tight. Okay. That'll hold that bolt. It doesn't have to be insanely tight, just tight. Okay, well, we can do whatever we want with it, but what we'll do is we'll put it parallel, you know what I'm saying? Like that. First thing I want to do is put this away. And we'll get a wrench to tighten that baby up. Tell you what, brother. Okay, good enough. Okay, that is about boy, my poor tools, man, spread all over the place from here to China. I hate this. All of my tools are everywhere, but where they should be. I'm trying to think of the fastest, easiest one. I need a 1/4 inch drive. So the fastest, easiest quarter right now is right here. I use it to put the thing on the bike. Okay, so now we got this drive. Now we need I would say that that's probably right in the ballpark of this little beast. I think this has got to go back on the bike. Okay, we do need to get the adapter, but let me just see if this is the right bolt, the right socket. A little smaller. A little bit smaller. Okay, gotcha. This is I'd say this is the one we're shooting for right here. Watch this one be too small. Of course. Perfect. It doesn't really need to be that tight. That's it right there, guys. I mean, we'll snug it up a little bit. Okay, and this video will be over. We do need to get the adapter, quarter to 3/8. Let's see if I can find that in a jiff. We're not going to torque it down too much. It doesn't need to be. Just a little bit. Hope you can see. Well, it's pretty solid. Okay, now I notice that there is some debris inside of some filings still. So let's get the filings out. Metal filings from the drilling. Okay. Done with that. Then we'll just stick this back here. We'll put this back on here. This goes here. And then there's a nice little foam pad that can protect your goods from the bolt and from whatnot. I do have another foam pad in the other container. I can also put that in here if I want to. Well, this one is good enough. It's a very solid system, guys. Like I said, I didn't buy any of this shit. There it is. But I will say one thing. You only have one key, so be conscious of it. We're gonna actually, these other two keys, this other key is for one of the other lock boxes, and what the other key is for, I have no clue. But we will take care of whatever we need to do, trust me, gentlemen. Okay, first thing we gotta do is put this. This goes in the bike at all times to adjust the stick. This goes back on here, and this adapter, 1/4 inch to 3/8, goes right there. Okay, anyways, just wanted to show you that install, and we are done. Beautiful. Part 2 of the install, and it's just a question of where we're gonna put that key. I mean, obviously it's gonna come with you in your Jeep all the time, but okay, man, we're gonna end this video. We're good to go.